let's take a look at a cool new integration feature between DealerFire websites and DealerSocket CRM. We call it web text, and it integrates with SocketTalk in CRM. So if you're using SocketTalk to communicate with customers out of your CRM, to text your customers, then this handy widget will be super valuable to you. Even if you don't use SocketTalk, this provides a nice native alternative to what you see many third parties offering in market today. Obviously, a lot of customers prefer to be communicated with via text as opposed to email or phone call. And so a lot of chat providers and other widgets are basically just adding nifty little lead forms to websites to capture mobile phone numbers so that dealerships can communicate with customers via text. So this is our kind of native solution to that. Fully configurable. I could do a whole video on the way that you can customize the way this appears. You can have a little pop-up message that says, hey, you got a question, we'll text you. You got these fancy little dots to draw attention. You can change colors, blah, blah, blah. But so if this piques the interest of a user and they interact with it, they can select a dealership to text. So this demonstration shows multiple dealerships to select. So this is the interface that a user would see if there are more than one dealership, if there is more than one dealership represented on a single website. If it's a single point or single rooftop website, then this step would be bypassed and you would go directly to this screen where you can see a message that says, hey, give us your information, we'll text you. Again, totally customizable. You can make it say whatever you want. So let's just say the customer has a question, they want to be contacted via text. So I'm going to, put in a fake name, Figaro Bologna. It's actually pronounced Bologna. And then I'll put in a cell phone number and trying, oh my gosh, boom. Now, one of the cool integration features with this and SocketTalk is the opt-in verification that's going to happen with this checkbox here. Now, normally, to interact with a customer as a business, you have to send a message that says, yo, we got your cell phone number. We want to send you text messages. That cool? Reply yes to accept, stop to stop, etc. The cool thing about this is the customer can actually express their opt-in here, and that will allow you as a business to bypass that step because of the integration where we send this lead in and it tells your CRM, hey, this customer has already expressed, opt-in thumbs up. So you can actually communicate a little more naturally with that customer and not send them a kind of, reply yes to whatever. So this is what it looks like to the customer. Message received, again, fully customizable, very easy to change in the back end. But by default, we're going to say, hey, thanks for reaching out. You're going to receive a text message from the dealership to confirm your number, and then a person will follow up soon. So the customer does receive an automated text, usually within about 60 seconds, that says, hey, we got your message. Just let you know somebody's going to be in touch. And then just for added opportunity for lead conversion and to make it super convenient, there's that automated message coming out of the CRM. For added lead conversion and contact opportunity, we've got a click to call. So if you've got VoIP, Skype, whatever, and click that, call the dealership. Or if you're on your phone, of course, just going to call the dealership. So, man, that lead comes in, and now what's it look like on the CRM side? So I'm logged in as a salesperson at this dealership. Of course, if I'm a real salesperson, I'm going to get an alert, say, hey, you got a new untouched web lead or whatever that you need to follow up with. But for the purposes of just tracking this down, since I'm not assigned to Mr. Figaro Bologna, I'll go ahead and click into that. And I see that I've got a open sales opportunity, which I will jump into. And the opportunity timeline will give me everything I need to know about this customer. So the first thing you'll notice is that here in the work notes, it says what the customer message was. It also lets the salesperson know, hey, this customer requested to be contacted via text message. Please contact the customer via SocketTalk or another texting system that you have. We put that at the top because sometimes you get a whole bunch of leads coming in, ideally, And if you see a phone number, you might be inclined to just pick up and call. You got a mobile phone number, bam, I want to call this person. But we want you to know that actually this customer requested to be contacted via text, so don't kind of spoil their experience and do that. So now from here, I can do just that. I hit the text message button. That's going to launch SocketTalk. From here, you're actually going to see the message that was already sent to the customer, the automated message. And then I can say, hey, what's up, Mr. Baloney? That sends, and bam, I received the text message from not much. What's your favorite lunch meat? And from iMessage, that's my phone, from my computer, I'm going to get that back into SocketTalk. And now I'm having a conversation with the customer via text, blowing their mind with how integrated and lovely their shopping experience is on a DealerFire website that is backed by the industry-leading DealerSocket CRM equipped with SocketTalk.